You know you're in Antrazook and somebody is very patiently waiting to open up this packet. This food has come from a new venture called Cooking Hut. Moshobi Mondol runs it, and the reason why I know about Miss Mondol is because I have ordered earlier on something from her and it was really authentic, really good bong food. So I had already tasted one thing from her. Today we are tasting other stuff. So while we are opening up all these dabbas, as you can see, there is Bashunti Pulao. So the smell of Bashunti Pulao is really good. These are fish chops and the smell is really enticing. Okay, fine. Go ahead, take one bite. And that is chicken kosha. Okay, so here goes one. Oh, okay. So as you can see, Ansh has started understanding how to do the videos, but then yeah. So look at the fish chop. It is pretty nice and it's got, I think, they don't have a coating of potato. Instead, the potato has been mixed in. So, tastes good. But I did get one kata. So I'll be careful, okay? There's kata in it. Tastes good though. Okay. So here is the Bashunti Pulao and here is the chicken. So while we are trying to make one bite for us, let me just quickly tell you guys a little bit about why we do these kind of unboxing videos. The reason why I make these videos is for letting the home chefs and small businessmen get to a bigger audience. That is the only reason why we do it. And oh, look at that bite. My mouth is salivating already. Yeah.
I'm starving.
It's really tasty. Let me just chew. It's really nice, it's really tasty. I don't think that this is Govindo Bhog rice though. What do you think? I'm not able to understand. Can you just give me a little bit of just the rice?
It is good.
It is? It's got a very nice smell, by the way. Let me see. I'm still not decided, but whatever it is, it's very tasty. So guys, you should give it a try. The whole reason why we do this is because of that. And here we have some payesh. We can quickly taste it also. It's looking really nice. Very nice. Have it. So, if any of you watching this video feel that you want to get to a higher audience value, please do let us know about your business and we can do an unboxing for you guys as well. The reason why we do it is just simply we love our food entrepreneurs. Anyway, so now Ansh is also extremely excited of trying it. Yeah, go for it, Ansh. What do you think? What is your verdict? Yeah, there's a thumbs up there. So don't forget to like us, share our video with your friends or other entrepreneurs if you know them who are doing some small scale food business in this city. We would love to hear your thoughts on it. Let me know in a comment below how you liked being with us. So let us just eat now because now I am also feeling very hungry. I'm also famished. So like this video and cheers!